Hey guys, so today I'm going to give you an introduction onto how I did my first project and how you can just begin with Premiere Pro. So welcome and let's journey in this together. So Premiere Pro, you have to install it first of all. It's an Adobe. It's a product of Adobe, comes with Photoshop, and then you launch it. Once you open, this is what you are likely to see. And if you don't see this, just go to new project and this whole will appear. So it will have these panels as you can see. And the first panel mainly is about the first panel is where the footage comes in, or rather where you view the source, where you view what you are going to edit while you do what we call importing. The other panel is also on the same panel. We'll have the audio, the effects controls where you can control the scale and other effects. Then there is the audio clip mixer where you can now balance your audio. We are going to switch now to the learning mode so that you can be able to see it perfectly. Then let's say, for example, you want to start a project. You can click that folder like thing to create what we call a bin, where you can organize your footage. When you open your bin, you can now bring down what you are going to edit. That is maybe the video itself. The other window is where what you are editing will appear, and down here is the timeline. Fine. So that was a shortcut. Sorry for that. That's Control I to import, which is to bring the clip. And once it's imported, it comes to here where you see the black screen. And the lines is where we'll be referring as to the timeline. So we can select the part that we want. We don't have to bring the whole to the
transport or passenger service vehicles, train and domestic air flight services may resume at full capacity.
Yeah.
However,
at full capacity, let's assume that we want our footage to end. So you press O, that is to mark out. To mark in where you want it to begin, you press I on the keyboard. So you just drag it basically and put it with the place on the horizontal lines. That is where mainly the editing takes place. You can pull on the bar below.
Transport or passenger.
Let's assume we don't want that part. It's not late. We can still trim the beginning of the clip. Yeah, let's play and see. So you can see the spaces where we don't have the waves, those are silent. So when you're editing the audio, you don't even have to listen. Those are breathers. If you want to cut the long breath, you just have
or passenger service vehicles.
I'm going to switch the panel so I can just be able to show you. And if you're missing a panel, you just go to window. Right now, I would like to see the audio balances. So if you're missing any panel, either the tools, either the graphics, either the audio meters, even the program monitor and the source, you just go to window and select. Yeah, if you raise that is the bar below is the audio, the bar above is the video. So if you raise the line of the audio, you are raising the audio level. And as you can see on the audio panel, it's even
all passenger service vehicles, train and domestic air flight services may resume at full capacity.
-6. The audio should be playing at around -6. It's around orange color.
Train and domestic air flight services may resume at full capacity.
Yeah, there. So let's assume we just wanted a small clip. So we have been able to get the part we want. And the other thing important when bringing the clip, So we are now going to export, and you just pull off the cursor, the blue playhead, to where you want to mark, and you just mark out the part you want to export. The whole timeline might be full, but you are able to export only the part that you want to get on the output. That's what we call to export. So this is basically editing. Like, we have edited, we have trimmed, we have balanced our audios, we have also expanded. As you can see, there are logos and everything, but by double clicking here, you just will see the edges of the clip on the program monitor, and then you'll just pull the clip outwards, or you can go to effect controls and add to the scale. Simple, right? So once you are done, you can Control M. Control M is to export. Now that you have marked out in and out the part you want to export, Control L, or we go to the main menu on the file, then export.